Hi everyone, this is Daniel Eigenman from the Finance Broker Forum. I hope you're all well. I'm here in Subiaco at one of my favorite hangouts, Bucla Cafe. So if you're in the area, make sure you come and enjoy the friendly people at Bucla. A few weeks ago, I talked about, if you talk to different banks, you might get a different response as to how much you can borrow. It's the same where you will get a different answer from different banks on whether you will be approved or not. And that is because different banks have different ways of assessing your application. And not all banks will look at the same things. So you've got the traditional banks like the ANZ, the NAB, and the big guys, the Westpacs. And you've got smaller banks, and you've got what we call non-conforming lenders. And non-conforming lenders specialize in the areas where the banks, the big banks, are not really interested to be involved. That's because they're big enough, there's big enough volume, they don't really need to be involved in those niche areas. But I've found that a lot of my clients, if they are self-employed, recently self-employed, or they've had any issues and it's recorded on a credit file, where you might have missed a payment, or you might have had a life event, or you might have been short-term self-employed, or you might be earning an income based mostly on non-traditional commissions or family assistance payment. You might have a tax debt. You might have some business debts, and these are all things that the big banks really don't like to deal with. Because they don't have to. So what do you do if you're in a situation where you don't really feel fit the mold of the big banks? If you go to your bank, there's a good chance they'll say, no, sorry, we can't help. But when you deal with someone like myself, who is working directly with 30 plus lenders and banks, I'm usually able to find you a solution. And that's, I say usually, because you got to be able to service your loan anyway. But provided you can service your loan, there's a good chance that one of the 30 lenders that I work with will have a policy that will help you get the application or get your application approved. So make sure that you talk to somebody like myself who is a financial professional, who is not working for one lender and can give you a solution as opposed to just one product. So remember, if you don't fit the perfect mold of the big banks, give me a call on 0412-022-110 and we can have a look at which of the lenders that I work with has the right solution for you. But always remember, you've got to be able to afford the repayments. Okay, so if you've got any questions, call me again on 0412-022-110 or leave a message down there. See you later. Bye.